Eli! No, over here!
Hi! Hi!
Eli! Look.
It's just his head starts to get heavy.
I know.
Hi!
Eli!
Hi! How's it going, baby? Yeah? Eli!
Eli! Look, over here. Come on. Keep looking. He's like, eh.
Hi, Raspberry.
Eli, look over here. Look. Put his arm straight again. Oh, never mind. Over here. Of course, he always stops doing things when I try to get the camera.
No, it's cool. He'll do it in a second.
Why does he do this a lot?
No. He's, that was the one time when he fell on his side and just kind of laid there for a while. He was like this for a little while, but his head started to get heavy. Eli! Where's that heavy head? You lost it? He's pulling raspberries. Eli! Hi, baby! That's all he said hi.
Come on. Roll.
Hi! Hi! Eli! Eli! Look! Eli! Hi, baby! Hi! He's like, I like this.
I know.
That way first. Hi! Eli! Eli! Hey! Eli! Hi, buddy! How's it going?
Last time he did it right
He
away.
just starts crawling.
Right?
Your diaper's gonna come off. It's gonna blow through. Eli! Where's that big head of yours?
Ethan's just waiting like, what about me, guys?
Calm down again. Here, let me tell you. Come here. Oh, here we go. Just tip that head. Eli! Eli! Nope. Hickeys. Eli! Eli!
He's like, my head's too heavy.
Hey! Eli!
Oh, close. Keep going.
Eli!
Yay! Good boy! Yeah!
Yay! Now roll back over. Your little nipples are red.
Put his arm that way and see if he'll roll over because
Yeah, let me just keep it that way. Like,
I meant when he was on his side.
look at his arm.
I know. I see your slobbery arm. Yeah.
Slobbery